Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete a review on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it and go to the place where you put the review. For example, I will go to that, where is it, to that restaurant. Just let me find it. Okay, here it is. Click on the name of the place, swipe up and go to reviews. And as you can see, I have a review here, and to delete my review, I have just to click on the three dots next to my name and click on delete review and click OK. And like that, my review was deleted from that place. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.